Plus honest review. Up the pros, the cons. If you're trading online, the Plus app promises easy access to KEFSES, stocks and crypto, but is it really a top choice? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming trading apps are overly complex. This offers a clean interface that makes buying, selling, and monitoring assets straightforward. You can view real-time price charts, set stop losses, and manage your portfolio all from your phone. Another advantage is risk management. The app allows alerts for price movements, margin limits, and stop orders. Thus, demo accounts are available, letting new traders practice without risking real money. This is especially useful for beginners who want to learn strategies safely before committing capital. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional delays in price updates, which can be critical for active traders. Advanced features like complex technical analysis or multi-leg positions are limited compared to desktop platforms. Additionally, fees and spreads can be higher than some competitors, so careful attention is needed when planning trades. In conclusion, the Plus app is ideal for traders seeking convenience and simplicity. The surprising truth is that while it makes trading accessible, professional traders may find it lacks some advanced functionality. For casual traders or those just starting out, it delivers an intuitive experience, real-time monitoring, and practical risk management tools. Just remember to check fees and consider your trading needs before relying solely on the app.